So today's project, since the weather outside is cold and freezing and I've got inside projects to do, I'm gonna mount this TV on this wall in the front blue room. I must have moved the TV. I moved the TV to another room, but anyway, that's what the plan, oh, it's out in the great room. That's the plan for today, is mount a TV monitor here. Okay, so we're mounting the frame for the TV, and I just drilled in the 2 holes. I don't know whether that looks good enough on here, but they went into the stud because I have a stud finder. Jeez. Let's see how that's going to come up shortly. Well, I have finished with Charlotte's help. We got the TV mounted on the wall and it's on the frame. So now all I've got to do is put it over here. We can go like this, or we can go like this. So let me move everything back and get a better picture of this. Well, I got the TV mounted, so I feel good for today. Let's see. Let's see, I can move it either way. I can go. TV's mounted. I can take that off the checklist. Something else completed. Maybe we get started on this room.